is your English preparation?
Very good. What about you?
Great. I revised all the questions.
Me too. Hello students, good morning. Good morning, teacher. Today is your exam, do you know? Yes, sir. This is your question paper. This is your.
Wow, the question is so easy.
Yes. Why the sir makes this easy question?
Okay, let's try.
Sir, I have done. Give me your paper, please. You have done? Hi, Zara. What is your preparation?
That's good. What's yours?
Not very good.
Oh, I think I failed the English exam.
Me too. Hello, students. How are you?
I'm
Fine, sir.
And you?
And you? I'm also fine. Today is your exam. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
This is your question paper. This is your question paper.
Oh
no.
That's so hard.
Yes, it is so hard.
Why science makes so hard? I will fail in this exam.
Me too. Hey friends, give me your copy. Time is over. Sir, please give me one more. No time. Please give me your copy. Hey, give me your copy, please. No more. Give me. Me too.
Hey Nabiha, what about your preparation?
It's fine. What about you?
Not good.
Why?
Because last night I didn't study.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Okay.
Hello, students. Today is your math exam. Do you know?
Yes, miss.
Here is your question paper. Here is your question paper. The time starts now.
Hey Nabiha, what is 3 plus 2?
4,
What is 5 plus 5?
10.
Miss done.
Okay, thank you. Give me a copy.
Thank you Nabiha, you are my best friend.
Welcome.
Zartaj, how is your preparation today?
It's good. How about you?
Not good. I did not study last night. Can you please help me?
I will try.
Hello, students. Today is a math exam. Do you know? Yes, miss. Here is your question paper. Here is your question paper. Zartaj, what is 2 plus 2?
I don't know.
Zartaj, what is 10 plus 10?
Oh, me.
Zartaj, what happened?
Time is taking me.
Jahin, where are you disturbing her? Give me your copy.
Miss, I have done.
Thank you, Zartaj. Hey, you said you will help me.
I said I will try.
Students, your time is up. Give me your
Sir,
copy.
please give me 5 minutes more.
Okay, if you need, you can take 10 minutes more.
Thank you, sir.
Surprise, please.
Thank you, sir. Select the place.
Sir, I have done.
But then give me your copies.
Sir, I have done too.
Though they have 5 minutes more, but let me take their copies now.
Students, your time is up. Give me your copies.
Sir, we still have 5 minutes more.
No, you don't have 5 minutes more.
Sir, please give us 2 more minutes, please.
No, I will not give you 2 more minutes. Give me your copies.
Sir, please give us 2 more minutes, please, sir.
No, I will not give you 2 more minutes. Give me your copies.
Sir,
No,
please.
I will not give you. Give.